I'm here at the Borghese Gardens. So these gardens cover over 80 hectares, making it the third largest public park in Rome. So the gardens were developed by Cardinal Scipione Borghese, who by the way was a nephew of Pope Pius V. The gardens are filled with ancient sculptures, fountains, and replicas of classical monuments designed to echo the grandeur of Rome. One of the most photographed spots is the Temple of Asclepius. It's a small temple by the lake designed to honor the Greek god of healing. You'll also find the Globe Theatre, a replica of Shakespeare's London Playhouse built in 2003 for outdoor performances. At the western end of the Borghese Gardens, you'll find the Pincian Terrace, which offers panoramic views of the Piazza del Popolo and the rooftops of Rome. The Borghese Gardens are open daily from dawn to dusk, typically 7 a.m. to sunset. Entry is free. I hope you enjoyed your walk through the Borghese Gardens.